Pretty sure I'm live. Pretty sure. I think. Welcome to the stream. Okay, I think I can. I think it's working. Welcome. Today, I don't really have a plan. I guess. I was working on Stripe integration. It's like kind of annoying. It's like you think that Stripe would just have something and you can just like drop one line of code. I think they used to have that. Like, oh, here's 7 lines of code and you can like do payments. That was like the whole thing or something. I don't know. So yeah, that's what I'm gonna do right now. I will show you what I'm working on. Oh, you know what I did? That I thought was cool. So I did this thing. You know, I don't play that little liftoff thing. They should make more. 25 days ago. That's pretty good. Only 2,000 plays. I'm the only one who listens to unminus. Yeah, I'm gonna bring this light closer. Well, let me see. Oh, that's, yeah, is that better? I don't know. Is that better? It's probably, I don't know if I fix this one. There we go, just adjust it a little bit. Yeah, that's good, I think. Alright. Hacker News is good. What the heck? Oh. A calculating tool and programming language. Where's the syntax? Oh, sample programs. Frank's server pages. All factors. Okay. Anyway, I don't want to get distracted, you know? I get distracted for... Oh, I'm also half an hour late, so... You know, I mean, half an hour... just, you know, it's whatever. I don't know. Anyway, so... Oh, this is what I did. Here, I'll show you. I'll show you what I did. So... I have this thing that's closed source, but it's like built on the other thing I did, the Sinatra-like thing, framework thing. Yeah, let me make this bigger. There we go. Let me adjust the size of that. What does it look like in OBS? Okay, it looks good. Let me adjust the size of this too. Boom. That. All right, a little bit bigger. Boom. All right. Now you can see. So I did this thing. So before I did like this, right? This is hello and then like content type. Actually, I don't think I need headers. What if I just do this? Okay. So then, and I do like server 9001 and then, oh, I can't show you that. Let me do it in the other window. Yeah, let me do that in the other window. So let me just show you in the editor. Okay, so before, let's say you have like a form. So this is like inspired from the other thing from the other day, where it would be cool if you could just do like email, right? Like you're just destructuring the, like you could say response, right? And then this is just like a form, right? Form, and it has like an input. You know, text or whatever, and it's like email or something. And then response you can like destructure, right? So it's kind of like you're like scripting, but it's a web thing. So like HTTP responses are going back and forth, or more likely WebSocket things. Like this is form sends the request, and then it kind of like waits around maybe. Yeah, I'm not sure yet. I don't know how it works. But yeah, so this is like kind of inspired by this. Basically, I don't really know what the advantage is to that versus like, okay, so you would do like this, right? You would say get, and then you would say, like, let's say you were gonna do like a sign up, right? Sign up, and then you would say post sign up, right? And then you would say, you know, this is a form and it does nothing. Like it's method post, right? Action sign up, but you don't have to do that because it knows that it's a post by default. Then you could say, input type email, or you can just do like email input or like email field or something, right? And then you could say email field. That's it. Maybe it'll just have a default name email. And then, submit, whatever, sign up, right? Okay, good. Or like button, right? Type submit, just button. Button sign up, right? So that's good. And then you could do something. So on post, you would say let email, you destructure, right? The params. And then you could say, if present email, send the email or whatever, right? And maybe I should make this more like traditional. Password field, which is password, and like confirm password. This is also a password field, but it has a name. And the name is confirm password. Okay. So then you could do even more destructuring, right? You could say password, confirm password. Okay. And then you could say if they equal, and and the email is present. I don't really care to verify if it's like a real email. Just deal with that when it happens. So then it's valid, it's good. So then you would say, set the session, right? Session ID is, first of all, you have to make a user, right? So you say like user, this is a lot, we'll just do def user. Insert user, actually, yeah, we will do that. User, insert user, email, and then password. And then you say like hash password, right? Okay, and then now that you have a user, you can set the session ID, user ID, and then you could also, you might need this response. So you're gonna redirect to home, set the session. If it is not valid, like the passwords don't match or the email's not, if it's blank or something, blank or nil, you can just re-render sign up and give it an error, invalid email or password, right? Whatever. Okay, so like these two things, they go together, right? These two here, I don't know, I'm putting in a comment. These things go together like peanut butter and jelly, all right? They go together, but they're not visibly together. They're you know what? This is gonna be a short one. It's 9:08. They're apart, right? There's like a disconnect. Like they have the same name, but they're not just grouped under the same set of parens. That's the real problem, right? So that's why I was like, oh, this is what you see below, right? So this is why I was like, you know what? Let's fix that, right? So instead of this, right? I just saw it. You just saw it below. I'm not, I'm not getting like doing a slideshow or something. I'm not trying to sell you on this. I am kind of a little bit. So instead, what you can do is say on sign up, right? This does not work yet, but it will. I think eventually. I'm not sure. I'm not sure what I'm gonna do. I think it'll work. So the only problem, right, is that you'll notice that there's one root sort of paren here. It's like one whole form. This is the let, right? And this one has one form as well. Form. Well, it's called form. The form is form. So that's the only like rule, right, is that there has to be one here. So this is a comment, right? So now you can take this, right? You can take that, boom. You can take this and also do that. And now you haven't saved too much, but if you get rid of these comments, then it's kind of like, oh, they do kind of go together. It's not as cool as like, you know, saying form and getting the response straight from the form. But yeah, it's not, well, this music. Yeah, it's not, you know, it's not as cool, but it still kind of gets the point across, I think. Yeah, I think it's pretty good. Wait, how long is field? Field is, what is that, 5? What's input? It's also 5. What? Why would you say field? Field's confusing, right? It's like a form field. It's like old school. Oh, you know what is wrong with the lighting? Hold on. Yeah, I just realized that I did light. I was like, why are there so many shadows? Okay, there we go. That's better. All right, that's way better. Also, I'm wearing shorts today because it was hot. It was super hot. It was like 73. Jeez. What do I live in? What do I live in Southern California still? I don't think so. I don't think so. Okay, yeah, email input. That makes more sense because like their inputs, you know, input output, like form fields are like, what am I signing a real estate deal or something? Like what's going on here? Yeah. Yeah, this is cool. It's good. It's good. It's good. I think. I'm pretty sure it's cool. The problem is it does not work. that is the problem. I'm glad I went through that though. That was good. Okay, so this does not work. So here, sign up as a symbol, but it does not matter. So this should be working, but I think the problem is that I have, so VStack, this is all a macro, right? VStack is a macro, okay? On is a macro. I'm doing tree routing. Oh no, is that what I'm doing? Oh, I hate tree routing. Let me see, Rhoda. I did see Rhoda the other day. I was like looking at a Hacker News comment, and then it was Rhoda. R.on. Oh, I am. R.on posts do I like this? Get posts, whatever. Yeah. I mean, it's not. Yeah, I guess it is tree routing. It's like, but it's only one depth, right? It's not like I didn't. Let me see. Do I like this on sign up? I actually like the strings now better than the symbols, but whatever. But then I like do a typo, and then I'm like, oh, please do it on. But it's not tree routing. I don't have it. I only have one like level. I didn't even do that. On sign up is get. So then you would do like. Okay, I mean, I guess you could do like on, like users or whatever. Do you put a slash? Does he put a slash? Oh, yeah, you do. Actually, there's probably a better. Let me see, Rhoda. I saw the GitHub has a pretty good, deeply nested one. I couldn't even get that out. Deeply nested. Let's see. Root. Okay. R on hello. Greeting. Oh, this is cool. R get world. That's super confusing. I already lost it though. R is do. But then you gotta split by method. And what about users new? Just do it. I don't know about this. I'm not like a huge fan. Like, look at the shape of it. It just goes like, I mean, Lisp is already doing that, you know? I don't want to do any more, really. But yeah, I was just trying to group them. I don't know. This, I'll show you. The implementation of on is really bad. Let me see. Where is this stupid thing? Let's see. Lisp, it is ugly. Let me see, router? Okay. Oh, I can't even find it because it's a macro. All right, there it is. So it's literally just 2 macros, and then I pass in forms. But yeah, I guess but so get star is like a macro, right? This is how simple the implementation is. It's so stupid. It's literally just a combination of get and post. Is not it? It might look like tree routing, but it's not. I don't know about this. This is crazy. This is like what do you do, like a recursive thing to like find out what the or I at build time you like build the paths, right? Yeah, I don't know about this. This is a lot. This probably it looks better, I think, in Ruby. I think this looks better in Ruby. That block would when a request comes in. Oh yeah, okay. So then, like if it was hello, then you would, or if it was hello world, right? Hello doesn't exist. Or on hello, on doesn't do anything, right? Simplicity, reliability. Is it maintainable? I want to see like a big old app in r.on is used to split the tree. Is finalizes the routing path. r.is c. It like ends it. Oof. Oh, that's kind of clumsy though. I don't know about this. I'm not like a huge fan. Oh yeah. I don't know. The on thing is, I don't know. I'm just trying to group the get and the, but it doesn't even work. The thing doesn't even work. It's so dumb. Let me see. Let's see if it works. Okay, I'm gonna run this. Okay, it started up. That's a good sign. I love how I thought logging SQL would be cool, but now that I'm kind of like, yeah, you get me all excited. Reaching enlightenment. You dash on my tree. How is that enlightening? Let me see this. What do I get about this? Get about, like, is you're like, get post. Okay. Oh, you know what? This isn't bad actually, cause no, I mean, okay, like let's take this. Let's take this. I'm gonna take this. And I'm gonna put this in here. I'm gonna put this here, right? I don't know how to set the syntax. Is it like how do you vim set syntax language yeah, set file language. I need to, oh, there we go. Oof, what? Oh, I don't want that. Set syntax. Okay, so I think it's like set, what was this? Oh, yeah, I saw this. So dumb. Oh, that's funny. Okay, let me see. Okay, set syntax Ruby. All right. So, okay. Route to root about. You know what it's missing? Slashes. I guess like you don't need them, but like this says a lot more. The comment says more than like this. I don't know why I feel that way. Root home about post. This is interesting. The parameter types are built into the route. Yeah. That's actually, yeah, that's actually not bad. That's not bad. I don't mind that. That's pretty cool. It's not bad. That's, yeah. Okay. And then you get the parameters here. Okay, let me see. Year, month, day, slug. Okay. R on username. So, okay. So you can actually make username. Oh, I see. This is just username string get. Oh, you have to say method get. Oh man, this is, oh, it's kind of ugly. Find by username, posts, following, is posts. I don't know what this is. Or you can extract methods for composing routes. Oh, I see. So like instead of just returning text like this, you would do, you know, whatever, like root or whatever, right? Extract methods. Oh, you mean you didn't even take that out. You just pass in R, right? So you would say like get, oh whoops, I tapped to Janet Ruby. So you'd say like home, right? And then you'd like pass in R, and then home would look like def home. It takes R, right? And then R, yeah, exactly. User router dot, yeah. And then you would have like r dot root do, right? And then you could yeah, then you can replace this. What does that look like? Home, and then you could do like about. Oh. Okay, so like instead of storing the routes in like a global variable like I do, right? Which I do this. Let me see if I can. I do this stupid thing. Oh my gosh. Okay. Let me see, projects. What was I? Oh yeah. So like instead of doing, like my router is like a piece of garbage comparatively. Let me see. I have all the routes in a global variable. It's an array. And then, yeah, I have, I basically do some kind of like regex stuff on them here, which is really ghetto. Hopefully you don't have a thing called underscore peg underscore in your route. I love this because it throws the whole concept of needing before and after hooks out the window. Because you just write code that executes before or after it handles the route if you want it. Though that's another good point. Yeah, before and after, kind of confusing, right? Like you can't visualize. Oh, you can't visualize it. So this one, like, oh, this is interesting. Route do home about, and then you would have like about, right? r.root do, because yeah, like I'm kind of getting there where I'm like what am I really? Oh, r.root, r.get about. Okay. Oh, I put that slash there. I don't know if you. Yeah, do you want this? Oh, because you would write code right here. And you would just say, do something before, like you would just set an instance variable, right? Actually, oh, you don't even need an instance variable anymore, unless you wanted to do that. But you would just pass that into your, oh, dang, this is actually okay. How many stars does this have? Yeah, I'm getting it now. I'm getting excited now. I don't even know. Does lit? They probably, let me see. Closure probably has one. What is it? Tree routing. I'm sure they do. Tree routing library. I'm sure it's ugly though. Let me see. Closure. Oh, a fast data-driven router. That's Closure. It's just data, everyone. Everything's data. Jeremy Evans is a hidden gem of the Ruby community. Oh yeah. 1.6 stars. Forked, but he forked it. Look at that. He didn't even. Sovereign. Rum-based micro framework. Wait, what the heck? Oh, on get, on hello. Dang, yeah, this is pretty sick. This is cool. Maybe I should switch back to Ruby. He forked it years ago. Yeah, they turned it into something with Cuba? is a micro framework for web development. This is cool though. So like Rhoda is just the router, right? I want more than a router though. I see. I almost like Cuba better. Micro framework inspired by Rum. What is Rum? The Grand Unified. Oh, yeah, it's so funny. She's in the Janet chat. Or you know what? I don't know. They're in the Janet chat. The Grand Unified Mapper. Rum is a powerful mapper for Rack applications. Oh, this is it. This is the original. On get path greet. On default do. Yeah. I think this might be cleaner in Ruby though. Let me see. How would it even work in Janet? Let me see. Maybe it does look better in Janet. Let me see. Let's compare them side by side. Arget. Yeah, this is actually. Oh. Yeah, this is something else. Because this is like before, right? Like if whatever. Like if X or whatever. Or like you could say like when Ruby doesn't have when if current user or something, right? Oh, whoops, there's no jeez. Okay, it's not like I don't write Rails all day. Like I never make these mistakes. Okay, let me see. Yeah, this if current user, right? Or you could say like unless current user. Then you could say arget about do end. There we go. If you wanted to, I guess. Or you could just do early return. Like don't be cool. Just do it, you know? Return unless current user. Yeah, this is cool. It's like a you don't even need a controller. You just have a function. Rhoda also has a huge plugin extension framework. The whole library is built with plugins. The base classes do absolutely nothing. It's crazy how composable he got. Yeah, this is cool. Yeah, my mind's kind of blown right now. My mind is blown. Like, this is crazy. So then you could just have something like this. Then you have, oh my goodness, dude, because then you have, like, okay, this is what I did. Like, look at my crappy, like, I did this, right? Which is just like symbols for routes. But why? Why are they there, right? This actually builds it into the actual app, right? It's like you need it. And it does the before and after. And since it's a tree, you can do before on like a branch of the tree. Yeah, and you're like grouping this. So these are all, oh yeah, so this, oh, user, yeah. It even has it right here. I didn't get this at first. Dang, this is, yeah, this is something else. Yeah, how can I make this less like to the right, down to the right? Let me see. About, and then you would do, okay, I don't know about this post thing, but sure. Let's just put it in there. So then you would do like post, like show post or something, right? Or like posts show. Oh, geez, there's no dashes. What did you say? User router? Okay, so you'd say like post router. Yeah, handler, right? Or you could do, oh, I see. Yeah, because it's Ruby, so it's all classes, right? It's all, yeah. I almost forgot about classes for a second there. Post app, right? You would say like, or you do posts controller. Let me see. No, you could do, post router, like you said. And then you could say like def show, right? Then you don't even need to inherit. There's no inheritance. Almost takes away the bad parts of the thing. Let me say, so then you get the post router show. Oh, it needs to be a class. Self, right? Is that the thing? Post router. Let me see, def. Yeah, this is cool. I should mess around with this for a second. Let me see. Rhoda has a huge extension. Where are the extensions though? Let me see. Oh, okay. Wow, this is a long blog post. Oh my goodness. Okay, let me see. Route. Okay. Oh, there. The website. Okay, simplicity. Okay, our root. I mean, just looking at it from first glance, it's like hard to understand though. Like for me, I think I just see code going like this, and I'm like, oh, it's just like Lisp. It's, whatever. Yeah, but or like Python or something. But yeah, this definitely this is something. Flexible architecture. Whenever, yeah, streaming views, mailers, JSON. Oh, 2014. Dang, this is a long time ago. Compares favorably. Serve more requests. Rack does 15,000. It only has 15,000 requests a second? What the heck? Rack is slow. Oh, man. Use less memory. 3 megs of memory. That's pretty good, though. Yeah, that Rails API is 28 megs. Whew. Oh, wait. Yeah, thousands of kilobytes. Damn. Hanami is pretty good. Oh, yeah, look at that. Compared to Sinatra. Oh, they have a comparison. Routing tree. A list of routes. At any point in the routing tree, Rhoda allows you to operate on the current request. I don't even know how it works, though. How does this even work? Like, what is this data structure? I guess it is like a tree, right? Dude, it's now, oh man, like now you have to know how to reverse a binary tree. Or at least I do, right? Oh man. This is cool though. This is really cool. Oh, I see the plugins right here. Right there. Boom, plugins. Oh, whoops, I was on SoundCloud because the music kind of died. Plugin render, plugin all verbs. Require Rhoda. This is a real app. View index. Does Ruby has an inline, right? Inline HTML thing. Ruby HTML inline or something. Let me see. Yeah, this is cool. Let me see. It doesn't build a data structure. It's just a method that the request goes through from top to bottom. Oh. Oh. Yeah, I guess that makes sense. Apply. It takes me a while to understand new things. Let me see. Ruby HTML in Ruby. Let me see, in Ruby code. Let me see. No. Oh, jeez. Hiccup. Ruby hiccup. There we go. That's what I have there. Oh, yeah, jeez. Ruby language. Okay. Maybe if I do HTML hiccup. Oh, here we go. Comma party 3. Oh, it uses uses commas. I think you want to use do though. You don't want to use commas. I mean, this is interesting. It's very similar to the thing, but it has commas. It has commas because you need commas. That's right. Because white space is significant. Or is not significant? Yeah, it's not significant. Yeah. There's got to be one. I think I saw one the other day. I even did it on the stream, didn't I? Ruby hiccup like library. Let me see. Is this Ruby? Okay, yeah. Hiccup. Oh, jeez, that's not it. Let me see. Man, I don't know. Oh, maybe, yeah, maybe Sinatra has it. Let me see. I feel like they do in the view section, templating languages. Here we go. Haml, Builder. I don't know what Builder is. Let's look at that. Builder is not the one. Opal. Ruby Opal. Opal Ruby Heart JavaScript. Whoa, no way. That's not it. Is there a different one? No, I meant like, just HTML rendering. Is there a different Opal? Liquid, Markdown templates, textile, RDoc, ASCII doc, Radius, Markaby. Oh, Markaby. That's it right there. That's got to be it. Why? Dude, freaking why? Whatever happened to that guy? Whatever. Doesn't matter. Why his other projects? Oh, they mirrored his thing. Coding superhero. Why the lucky stiff? Yeah, that's sad. It's interesting that he had this though before, like years and years ago. Interesting. No one really likes it though. Application dot. It's a different .mab. Oh, so you can't actually inline it, or maybe you can. Takes a blocks for inline templates. Creole. It's interesting. See example. Okay. Inline templates. Oh my gosh. Does it not exist? Inline templates? Did they take that out of there? Oh, there it is. Oh no, it doesn't. Inline templates. Okay, yeah, that does not exist. Yeah, I kind of get the point though. Markabee. Cool. Markabee. Wow. Oh, I started. Jeez. Wow. Now, Opal. Let's see. Ruby to JavaScript source to compiler packed with Ruby core lib. Yeah, I think this is something else. I don't know. Maybe there was another Opal. I don't know. But Markabee is what I was thinking. Kind of like hiccup with do, right? It's like do end. Yeah. MAB builder HTML. Okay. Yeah, this is nice actually. Oh, the little curly braces. Oh, because you would do end. Body do H1. Yeah, this is cool. It's not bad. This is actually a lot cleaner than I was imagining it would be. Is it slow though? That's the thing. Is this slow? I wonder if it's slow. Maybe it doesn't matter. I don't know if it matters. Yeah, I already started this. So if I put Markabee together, active records, right? I took all of Rails database stuff, right? I put Rhoda in there. Actually, you know what? People are saying SQL. Ruby SQL is good. Oh, Jeremy Evans again. There it is, right there. That's the one right there. This guy, that guy, he should have a Twitch. Let's see. Wow, almost 1,000 followers. Sacramento. Oof, gotta get out of there. One time I went to Sacramento. It was like 2 in the morning. It was terrible. Jeremy Evans has his thing. Oh yeah, Jinx. Yeah, there it is. Yep. Oh, see. Oh, now that I'm on his thing, I might as well. HTML forms library. Let's see. Form with an E. Form E? No, simple API. Blah, blah, blah. F input select or F tag select. Ooh, that's ugly. For me new. Does it do like CSRF tokens or something? Open. Oh, open. Oh my goodness, what? That's crazy. You never see that. Whoa. You like never, it's like totally like object D. Wow. DSL. Formy.form action do. Input F tag F input. Yeah, this is clean. It's nice. So yeah, let me see. SQL 4.4K. Wow. Okay, maybe I should look at the website because the GitHub's not looking good. Oh no. Oh well. Let me see. SQL, DB, SQLite. Oh, dude, examples already winning. DB create table items, primary key, string, unique false. Okay, this yeah, it's very similar. Items, DB is a hash, and you access it with a hash key, a keyword. That's weird. Items.insert. Okay. Yeah, I need to be convinced. I don't know why this is cool, I guess. Let's look at querying. RDoc. Primary key. Oh, wow. What the heck? That is something else right there. That is crazy. How is that even possible? What? It's like an array. What the heck? Enlightenment does not require using SQL. Oh my goodness. Wow. That's you. I've never seen that. That is the cleanest. That is like nothing. That's like almost nothing. Like I don't even. You can't even do that in Janet, I don't think. Let me see. Can I? It's just it looks like an array access, but it's actually like making SQL. That's crazy. Oh, because Ruby allows you to do. Yeah, actually, you know what? Ruby allows you to do almost more than you can in. Well, it's just different. It's different. Lisp is. It's just kind of like not really good. Like literals, overriding literals in Lisp does not exist. Like Janet and Clojure and all those like newer ones have literals for stuff, which makes it a little nicer. But yeah, old Lisp is like, it's like whatever. This is crazy. Like DB artist, everything's like an array access. Oh, here we go. First. Okay. Oh yeah, first with a filter, SQL like. Ooh, I don't know if I like this. Oh well. Okay, retrieving a single column. Get. That's pretty cool. This is cool. Let's see. Using an enumerable. Each select from artists. Oh, whoa, what the heck? Dang. Wow. This is great. It's all like almost built into the language. Oh, I actually kind of like this. I don't know though, because then you don't know like when you're accessing the database. Maybe it doesn't matter. I mean, if it's SQLite, right? Like the database and your code should be one and the same. Like I don't know why we have separate databases. That's the dumbest thing ever. We should have combined programming languages and databases. Like kind of like what was that? What was that one? Oh man. Oh, with Eve. With Eve. That's the thing right there. This is it. Like I saw this and I was like, this is what programming should be. Unfortunately, they ran out of funding and they stopped doing it. What's hilarious is that this is like great and amazing, but like this, it still exists and it still goes on. Like it still goes on. Yeah, that's bad. But even like my stack traces in Janet get pretty gnarly. I don't know. It could be better. Yeah, this is cool though. Let me see. It would be cool to do Ruby, but like not Rails outside of work, so I could like still get like some of the benefits of doing this thing at work and also doing this other thing. And then I could like not re-implement every stupid little thing like, oh, I need Stripe. Oh, I need to write against the Stripe API. It's like, no, I can just, I'm not like a fan of divides, but there's probably better authentication frameworks out there. Yeah, this is cool though. Let me see. Postwriter show would be. Yeah, I'm getting into this now. Like I don't know about the classes, but yeah, because then you could do like new, right? And that's an R, or you could say you could just make a new one. Oh wait, how do you do this in Ruby? Oh, you just do that, right? Yeah, with an initializer. Man, how do I not know how to do this? I barely write Ruby. I just only write Rails. Yeah, I don't even know if you need an initializer. Let's see, routes. You just do R. Then you can like have it, right? R is R. Whoop, hello. Jeremy's got your back. Jeez. I should donate to this guy or something. Let me see. Rhoda auth. Oh, it's just a M session secret, plugin session secret. Oh, it has a sessions plugin. If using non-Rhoda, okay, boom, we're done. Plug it, JSON API. It has a JSON API plugin. Oh my goodness. Plugin, Rhoda, enable, login, logout, verify. Enable WebAuthn. Wow, even WebAuthn. That's cool. OTP. Interesting. And recovery codes. Whoa. HMAC secret. What's the point of that? Maybe for the WebAuthn? And JWT, which I do not care about. Let's see. Rhoda auth. Require authentication. That's it. And then it does auth. Wow. That's cool. Look at this. Wow. This is a. Oh wait, I'm not even looking at it on the screen. Jeez. Yeah, when I click the links, it always goes to a new Safari window, and then now I'm looking at it. Look at this lock. That's what I was doing. This is crazy though. All you need to do is just call this, and then you call a require authentication before the routes. Yeah, that's pretty sick. Yeah, I'm coming around to this, like this stuff, right? Because then you could do, so then you could just do like this, right? r.get. Yeah, I'm like recreating controllers. When I see Ruby, I automatically go to controllers. Like I can't not do it, you know? Like I need to see the controllers, you know? But yeah, this is a lot simpler than active. It's like dependency injecting the router into the thing. Yeah, this is definitely, I could just say posts probably. And then, well, maybe do I? Yeah, maybe I do. And then the database would be post, right? So then I could do stuff like, oh, then I don't need before. I don't need all this stuff. I can just say, you know, r.get posts, and that's it. Oh my goodness. And then I could even put in this Markby stuff. So Janet doesn't do blocks. Thingy. Lambda thingy. It's just a function. But yeah, for this, like, okay, like let me just stop building this out for a second. For this, I think I would do, oh, this is really cool though. Like this is crazy. This is way simpler than Rails. There's no, I just do this, right? I just do posts, post.all, right? Dang, that's sick. Although, if I'm not using Rails, I think I have to like require Rhoda, right? And then I also have to like, wait, can you do auto requiring outside of Rails? Rails auto load or something outside of Rails? What do I just do? Ruby auto load or something? I'm disgusted by what you're doing. It's Ruby. I just want it to look like Rails. I mean, okay, it looks like Rails, but it's way simpler, right? Look at this. Look at that. I mean, you don't even need this. This is posts, right? And then, you know, yeah, if I had Markby, right, I would just do require Markby. Zeitwerk gem. That's what it was. Yeah, that's the one. I knew it was a thing. Zeitwerk gem. That's a cool name, Zeitwerk. Oh, it's with an E. I thought it was Zeitwerk. I didn't even read what you said there. Yeah, this is cool. Loader setup. Okay, so you can do that. Okay, and then so I don't even need this stuff anymore, but I already have it. So then I could have Markby in here. Where's Markby? I'm like recreating. I'm just gonna put this all together and be like, look, this is nails. Ruby on nails. All right. No, I would do what is it? Ruby on what's another good R word? Let me see. What, I don't even know what a good R word is. Oh man, I'm dropping a lot of frames. What the heck? Oh man, my internet sucks. What's a good R? Let's see. Oh, writing. No, I don't want to say writing Ruby. That's horrible. I would say. What would I say? I don't even know. I don't know. What would I say? I don't know what I would say. Ruby on. I don't know. Let's see. What are just like? Oh, what are some good rockin' Ruby? Ruby rocked Ruby? I don't know. Man, my internet's really sucking right now. Holy crap, it's so bad. What if I disconnect my phone? What if I do that? Maybe that'll be a little better. Nope, it's not any better. Okay, cool. Let's see. What would I even call this? I don't even know. I gotta stop doing this. Oh, where's Markby? That's what I was doing. Where is it? There it is. Markby? Yeah. No, this is builder. There it is. Require Markby. Puts 2S. I'm not gonna do that, but yep. Okay, there we go. Good to go. Oh, I forgot the puts. Yeah, this is actually clean. It's so clean. Like, what am I doing with Janet? Like, what is going on? I am having like a crisis of faith again. Let me see. Do title. Yeah, this is freaking clean. This is so nice. What the heck? This is gonna be, Jeremy Evans should put this all together. I shouldn't do this, right? I'm not gonna take all his work and like package it and be like, yeah, I did this, you know, whatever. I wrote all this stuff. Yeah, this is cool. Let me see. I wonder if I can actually make a real app with this. So then I would just do this, right? Do I need to put 2S on this? Maybe I do. I don't know. I don't think so. Yeah. Rhoda Markaby. Someone's done it, right? No, maybe not. Erector? What is Erector? Inspired by Markaby. Oh, there's even a newer one. I keep meaning to ask you. And not Racket. Racket, I didn't do Racket. Okay, so like, all right, I know Racket has like extensions, but I chose Janet because okay, so like Lisp. All right, so like Lisp, Lisp is like this. It's like define, and so is Scheme, so is Racket. Define X like hello, right? And then, but Janet and Closure are like this, right? Def. But not only that, like let's Racket Lang, hash map, right? Hash tables. Okay. So this is how you make a hash table in Racket, right? You do this. You say make hash, right? Or you do hash, right? Hash key val. So you say hash. I don't think there's any keywords. There's no keywords either. So you have to like use symbols, like this. So you would say like X is like 1, and then you'd say like Y is 2, right? I'm still getting to it. Hold on. Okay. And then, so that's Racket and like Lisp too, right? Lisp like make hash or something. I don't know what it is. It's just a table, right? But you know, in Ruby, it's X1, Y2, right? There's literals for the things. That's Janet has a 2, right? Janet has 2. It has a mutable version and an immutable version, right? So X1, right? Y2, right? So this is actual valid Janet, right? This is a hash map, right? And then the same thing, right? Same thing here. So literals, so literally that's why I do Janet instead of like other Lisp like thingies. Plus, Janet it can compile down to native code. Like you could do JPM build, and then it'll take that Janet code and like compile it with no dependencies straight to the native platform that you're compiling for. So, and Janet barely takes any memory. Like, okay, watch this. So actually, let's look at this. Okay, so this is like a huge Janet app, right? TinyMailer. It's running now. Let's look at it. Let me kill all other Janet thingies. Let me just run this like this. Oh, whoops. Okay, so let's look at this. Wait, why do I have another? What's the other Janet thing? Let's just kill them all. Okay, let's do one more. Here we go. Okay, I have to show you this. Okay, Janet is currently using. That's the whole app, right? It's currently using 5 megs of memory. 5. Oh, I know you can't see that, but it's using 5 megs of memory. Yeah, I mean it's hard. Like Janet is super efficient. Like it's crazy how efficient it is. But yeah, it's very slow to develop because I have to like write everything from scratch. So yeah, that does suck. But yeah, literals, and then low memory usage, and it can compile down to native code, which I think Racket can too, and Racket's memory usage is pretty good. But I think Janet's is similar, but it's the literals. Like not like in Lisp, not having literals is like such a weird thing. And I'm like, why is literals, why are those weird? So yeah, there's literals for everything. It's not just the hash, it's everything. It's like, you have 4, right? There's like immutable ones. These 2 are immutable, right? X, or whatever, X1, Y1, Y2. And this is like 1, 2, 3, 4. It's an array. It's a tuple. And then this is a tuple. This one, and then this is a struct. This is a table, right? Which you can modify. And then this is an array that you can modify too. So yeah, I don't know. Janet just really clicked, I guess. Like it just really clicked with me. Like I got it like right away, and I was like, oh. Yeah, this is the language for me, you know? Where do I go? Erector on Rails. I don't know about that. Let me see. Using Erector for Ruby on Rails. Template. Do I class views Erector widget? Oh, they made it way more complicated. You have to like inherit from this. I'm not gonna do that. Okay, MarketB, it's good. Map.html, good to go. So yeah, I think for this I would just have this, right? One builder to rule them all. Or maybe I wouldn't. Yeah, I would. Yeah. This is crazy though, because it's like more efficient. Ruby also has pretty low memory usage. I'm just like scarred from Rails, and I actually, now that I think about it, I don't really care about compiling down to native code. I never do it. I just run it. So yeah, I guess I don't really care about a lot of stuff with Janet. The parens are good with parenfer, but it's nice not to even worry about them, like here. And I think if I set it up, I think do and end would autocomplete for me if I had like more Vim plugins or something. But yeah, this is cool. Boats, win boats. Yeah, this could work. Although, yeah, this could work. Yeah, this could work pretty well. I feel like this is sick. I can't believe MarketB actually works. Like, what the heck? How do you do attributes? Oh, whoops, just closed it. Let me see. But yeah, I don't like Racket because they don't have literals, which is pretty petty. But if you're gonna be writing in it all the time, yeah. Element classes, dot. That's it. Like what? That's terrible. What if I don't want to do dots? Dot with a bang? Oh my gosh. Is that really how you do it? You can't do regular. Oh, you can. See, you can. You do it. Why did they just say this? I guess it's like shorter. That'll probably make good sense. But you're likely to run it. Why not review these 6 steps? Validate your XHTML 1.0. Oh, okay. HTML5 do. Well, I do want that. Div style. Wait, why is it with an E? Oh, no such. Oh, yeah, nice. Dang, this is sick. Escape. MarketB uses a simple convention. If a string is an argument, it gets escaped. If the string is in a block, it doesn't. Okay. Raw string. But if we have some raw text that needs escaping, pass it in as an argument. Okay. Have other tags inside a block, the string passed back will be ignored. Div author. Torpedoes. If you have other tags inside the block, the string will be ignored. Oh, the final div won't appear. You can't mix tag modes like that, friend. Oh, you can't oh, well, that makes sense, I guess. Auto stringification. If you end up using any of your MarketB tags as a string, the string will be output. Span. This means if you call 2s, you'll get a string back. But when you're adding strings to reach 2s, happens automatically. Interpolation works fine. Yeah, I'm not able. I got it. Okay. Oh, it's 9:59. Oh my gosh. Okay, let me see how this would work in Janet. I like that. I honestly like that this is like Rails, but way simpler. I don't know, man. I don't think there's anything wrong with Rails. Let me see. So I would just do like posts, right? And then it would do, and then you could do higher level. Look, I'm even starting to recreate Rails's resource routing. Oh my gosh. But it's like built into the app. Oh my goodness. Man, this is clean. This is super clean. And then at any time, that's the thing about this, is that at any time in this thing, I could just say, you know, require user or something, you know, like whatever, right? And then that could just be like, you know, current user, does it exist or whatever? I have no idea. This is insane. I need to look into this further. This needs further thinking. I saw this. I saw this on Hacker News like a week ago. I did not get it. I was like, what is this? Yeah, this is cool. Man, like my mind is blown. Wait, does Lucky do this? Does Lucky do this? Let me see. Lucky framework. Let's see what's going on here. Get started. HTTP routing. Before and after. No. Before. Get. Do. Routing with actions. I mean, it relies on mutation, so I'm not sure how friendly it'd be in Janet. Oh yeah, no, Janet has mutation. Don't worry about that. Like this, yeah, Clojure doesn't have mutation, but Janet, oh yeah, we're going crazy with the mutation. We got it. We got that. Like in Janet, you could do like, so like if you just use the mutable versions of everything, yeah, you could do it. Like in Janet, you could do this, right? var 0 ++ I, and then that's, you know, that's one, or that's, yeah, it's one. I printed one, print I. Yeah, this works in Janet. That's a real thing. Actually, you know what? I'll just show you on the console, on the REPL. I also, oh no, it doesn't. I did experience with it though. Let me see, Crota. Oh, that's right. Yeah, I remember you linked this, and I did not get it. I was like, you know what? Star time. Crota. Yeah, you linked this, and I, man, my internet just taking a dump. Man, it's so bad. Yeah, and I didn't understand it, and I was like, what is this? What's going on? But yeah, this is cool. Let's see. You got tests? Oh yeah, you do. Crota spec. Oh my gosh. Write tests. Oh, there's no tests. There's not even, oh, write usage instructions. I believe you that it works. I think it works. I believe you that it works. Oh, let me put it on here. Jeez. Let me see. Lucky framework. Welcome page, path parameters. The Lucky framework documentation is insanity. It's crazy. It's so good. What the heck? It's like, this is the best documentation. Oh man, it just keeps going. Oh my goodness, route prefixes. Oh, you know what? Dang. The Rhoda, it like you wrote this this tree routing, it unifies everything. It unifies route prefixes, which is kind of like a dirty hack, right? And then it unifies before and after filters. And it brings together, wait, that's it. Oh no, yeah, that's it. That's all it does. But doing those things all together in one conceptual like thing, yeah, my mind is severe. It's seriously blown. Like I'm super excited about it. I can't believe like it took me this long to understand what happened. Well, I think you have to go through, that's a problem, right? It's like you have to go through all the before, after, all the stuff, all the route prefixing, all the like, oh, how do I like get this instance variable over here? Like, oh, I have to like shuffle it through or whatever, like application controller down at the bottom of the, you know, inheritance hierarchy. You have to like go do all these things, and then you go, oh wow, this tree routing. But you have to come from like, you have to come from the past to get to the future, you know. But yeah, some people are living in the future. Jeremy Evans, he's living in the future. He's been living in the future this whole time. He's not messing around. Yeah, this is cool though. This is really cool. I'm gonna try this. I'm gonna try to get this working. Oh, you know what? That's what I was gonna do. How would this look in Janet? Right? That is the question. How would this look in Janet? How do I open up a new buffer in a, oh geez, I don't know how to do this. Let me, new empty buffer. Is it a vertical split? What's vertical? This? No, horizontal split. Horizontal split. How do I do it? Okay. Do buffer. Create a horizontal split. E. New. Is it like H new or something? Okay, I think if I just do, okay, that's not what I wanted. SP. There we go. There we go. So this one's E new. Okay. So at the top this is Rhoda, right? This is Rhoda. Yeah, this is so sick. Like, this is amazing. Like, I'm so excited about this, dude. Like, I am enlightened. I'm enlightened now. Like, I'm on the path to enlightenment. Matt, you opened my eyes. Okay, I can't go back now. Like, I can't go back to the old ways. I have to move forward. I have to use this. Okay, let me see. So this in Janet, there was no classes, right? So it would be kind of what I was doing before. I would just be on, right? it'd be like get, right? It'd be like kind of like what I had, right? I'd probably capitalize. Oof, maybe not. I don't know. So yeah, I'd probably be like I would do. Oh man, this music. I would do. You know what? Let's just play the thing. I got 5 minutes. I'll do this real quick. I would do a lambda. Would I do a lambda? It's just an anonymous function. Let's see, on. Yeah, maybe because there's no blocks, right? So you'd probably just do something like this, right? You would say on. Actually, you don't even need that because if on is a macro, you can just make things happen. You can just make variables appear out of nowhere. So yeah, for this, I would just do, if I wanted it to look like this, I would say router. And then I would say, okay, that's a router. And then I would, you know what? I set syntax equals Janet. Okay. Hopefully parent for, yeah, there it is. Router. And then I would say, home R, and then this would be defn, but oh, I do need R, so maybe I would do it so it's like less magical. Let's see, defn home, right? And that takes R, and then I would do what I did there. What did I do there? Yeah, I would say R is R a function? Yeah, probably. R this, and then I would do home, I guess. Yeah, right. That seems right? I'd probably call it like route or something, right? Yeah. And then I could do route. I don't even know what I could do. I could probably do route. I could make this a Janet object, right? So I could do like get R like that, something like that maybe. It's kind of ugly. I'd probably, yeah, you know what? Maybe I would. That's kind of similar to what's going on there, the root thing. I guess I could just do root. I don't need this. Yeah, I could just have a method called root, which is what they do, but it's a block. Yeah, it's not horrible. Yeah, it's definitely. I almost think this is better in Ruby. I have to think through this. That R passed to router should be the request. Oh, really? Is it the request? I was thinking, oh, maybe I was thinking about this the wrong way. Huh. Maybe I do r.root, right? I was passing in R like the router. Is it the request? Oh, maybe you're right. No, right? I'm passing the route instance here, but yeah. Should be the request. Oh yeah, maybe. Because you don't need that, right? Or you would just do... Yeah, you could do R... root. Root? And then you could say home. Right? I don't know, I'm confused now. But yeah. It would look something like this, probably. Yeah, maybe. There's probably a better way to do this, like more lispy. I'm not sure. Yeah, it's confusing. The way that it's presented here is way better. Like, the Ruby version is so much better. It's crazy. It's crazy how much better it is. Yeah, this is sick. Man, this is nice. I guess, yeah. I like passing the router though to the stuff. Actually, is there a new? Is that what you do? What do you do in Ruby? I don't even know how to make a new. I don't even know how to make a new Ruby object. Class X, right? Do end, right? X. Is that a thing? Oh, it doesn't even work. Class. Oh, you don't even need do. Class X. Right? Okay. Class and then just end. Does that work? X. Okay, it doesn't do anything. Is this thing on? Let me see. Plus 1 plus 1. Oh my gosh! What the heck? Oh, I was in some kind of block. Okay, class X end. I think I have to put a semicolon. Yeah. X. No. X.new. X.new. Okay, that's how you do it. .new. Yeah. So this I would do. Yeah. Post.new. Right. What was I doing? Like Go or something? I don't even know. Yeah. Yeah, this is cool. This is really cool. I have to look at this. I have to. Oh man, it's 10:12. Okay. All right, that's it for the stream. My mind was blown. I'm not sure what I'm gonna do now. I think I'm gonna try to do this with the. I'm trying to do Rota stuff now, I guess. All right, yeah, that's it. That's it. That's all I got. Next Tuesday, I'm gonna have a Rota app ready. Like, it's gonna be ready. It's gonna be good. It's gonna be great. And then maybe I'll re-implement it in Jan once I understand it better. All right, that's it.